So today's quant question, the average of the first 11 multiple of a number is found. If one of the number is removed, what is the range over which the average can swing with respect to the initial average? So suppose there is number x, then first 11 multiple of x will be x, 2x, 3x, 4x, and so on, so up to 11x. So the initial average will be, it is a series, so average will be first and the last number sum by 2. Average is 6x. Now the question is, if one number is removed, what is range over which the average can swing? So for this purpose, if I remove the smallest number from this series, x, then the remaining numbers are 2x, 3x, 4x up to 11x. These are 10 numbers, and now the average will be twice x plus 11x by 2. So in this case, if I remove the smallest number, then average is 6.5x. And in other case, if I remove the biggest number from this series, it's 11x. Then remaining numbers are x, 2x, 3x, 10x. Now the average will be x plus 10x by 2 means 5.5x. So in this case, the average was 6.5x when you remove the smallest number from this series, and when you remove the biggest number of this series 11x, then average is 5.5x. So there is a swing of 6.5x minus 5.5x. So swing of 1x. Now the question is, swing with respect to the initial average. Initial average was 6x. So with respect to the 6x, the average swing will be 1x on 6x into 100. Means answer is 100 by 6, which is 16.66%. So the answer is 16.67%. Okay. So thank you guys. Enjoy your preparation.